COVID-19 pandemic. The name of the illness I want to investigate is coronavirus disease. The COVID-19 was declared pandemic in 2020. The coronavirus disease is caused by the SARS-CoV-19. This is a virus. Some of its symptoms are dry cough, fever, and tiredness. Here are my two questions. Who discovered the coronavirus? Where did coronavirus first appear? Okay, class, this is an example of an exposition that you can do with an illness that became a pandemic according to the previous video. All you have to do is to choose one of the illnesses and do the same I did in this presentation. Okay, let's do it.